drawing.
Crazy, crazy. Oh my God. You guys need new colors. Like you want a red one? Okay, do some more crazy drawing.
I need a crayon.
Which color are you gonna get?
This one.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Crazy draw!
But I need some purple.
Oh.
And I need same one already.
Okay, crazy draw.
Crazy draw.
Crazy draw!
Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Goodness. Lily's gonna dance instead.